Hello friends. Today I want to show you how to make a mask at home easily, very easily. You can make your own mask without anyone's help. So I'm going to show you how to make it. This is a very effective mask. You can wear it whenever you wish to wear. When you go out at this COVID-19 time, you have to wear a mask to protect yourself from other person's virus. This one, and also you also should not spread it to others. So you have to wear a mask. So it's very easy. I'm going to show you. I have only 3 things here. Actually, it will be 2 things only, but I added one more thing. But I'll explain to you what it is. I have a long thread here. Okay, thread in the sense it's kind of a shoelace. Okay, you can also take a shoelace if you want. But if you are using a older shoelace, you have to wash it before use it. Just wash it nicely with the soap and use it. This one, keep it aside. And I have a piece of cloth. Okay, this is like this. This is actually a sleeves of one of my dress. Okay, one of my top, this one. So you cut the sleeves of your old t-shirt or any top. If you have, you cut it and keep it this length, one this much length. Okay, the sleeve length is usually the t-shirt sleeve length will be perfect to cover your mouth, because if it is a longer sleeves, if you cut, means what you have to do is you cut that piece, put it on your face like this. You check the size of your face. Okay, you have to check the size. Without checking the size, if you make a mask, it doesn't fit good. You may feel uncomfortable. Okay, it has to be up to here, and this is, don't worry about this. Okay, this length, don't worry about that. This one, just worry. Okay, like this. Okay, if you do not want to cut your sleeves, means you take any kerchief, handkerchief, or any plain cloth if you have at home. Plain cloth, if you fold it like this and stitch this side, then it will become like this, right? See, like this. One part if you stitch, the longer piece to fold, one side you stitch, hand stitch is enough, then it will become like this, right? So you choose your design, you choose whatever you like, the color, everything you can do it. You no need to buy anything online or go to the shop to buy. This is very easy method. You just need to put 10 minutes of your time to make this. That's all. So this one is one and this thread is one. Okay, 2 things. This itself is enough to cover. Okay, this itself, that I will show you after wearing, like the to test. They will nowadays in all the videos they are showing they'll use a lighter and blow it, try to blow it, right, so that the air is coming or not. So I'll do that check also. Okay, the air doesn't even go, but you can still breathe. Okay, it means that virus cannot enter. Okay, so that's how the mask has to be. Okay, but if this is more than enough, 2 layers is more than enough. The cotton, if you have a banyan cloth t-shirt, that will be more nicer because it has a little expandable thing. But cotton is always good for me. I choose cotton. Banyan is also good. I have one more also with the banyan cloth. And this I have. This one you can use if you want extra protection. Other than these 2 layers, if you want 3 layers, you take this. This is a canvas piece or lining cloth. You can say this one. You can just cut just little smaller than this one. This cloth. My budgie is making nice. So this one will go inside this. Okay. This stocking itself, it takes time, but don't think this is a very easy mask. Okay. After all this talking, you may think it's a long process, but it is not. Okay, it went inside. Okay, this become 3 layers. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, firstly, I will remove this. I'll remove this. I don't want triple protection. This itself makes me, I cannot breathe. I'm having a very hard time to, when I wear a mask, it's very hard for me to breathe. This itself is enough for me, but some people can use this if you can use that. So for me, this is enough. I take this, okay? This is how you have to use, only two, okay? I take this. This also I learned from some video, but I thought I'll demonstrate in a different way so that it will be easy to understand. Put it around your neck. Okay, just put it around your neck like this, okay? First thing. Then, take your cloth like this, see? See, this one, take this. Bring these two strings inside here, okay? I put inside, see, like this. Just put. Then, now, just push it back. Push it back, okay? That's it. Open, 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 go back, go back, go back, go back, go back, then tight. This is really a very good mask and very easy, economical, no spending of money. That's it. Look at this, how neatly it is sitting. It is covered every single side, okay? It's covered every, if you want more you can take. Okay, this distance, see? That's why I was talking about the size, okay? The face size, you have to check it before you make this, okay? Check your face size. Keep it near your face. See whether that is enough or not. If it is too big, cut it off. If it is too small, take the other piece, okay? That's it. Done. Look here. No way this one can go inside. Oh, I forget to bring the matchbox. Let me bring the matchbox. I'll show you. I cannot. Okay. See? No air is going out from my mouth. I cannot blow this out. No. That's all, friends. Okay, do you want to see when I put this and wear? I'll show you that. Okay. And this is easily washable, okay? Wash it with hot water with the soap. 60 degree centigrade, the water temperature has to be to clean thoroughly, okay? This is same. This string has to be there, okay? Now, I'm going to put this inside. Put this inside, okay? See, like this, okay? I put it inside. That's all. Have you seen when the mask, when they stitch, they fold here, they fold this side, like a lot of things are there. But this one, the fold automatically comes when you push it up, right? You might have seen in the long before one also without this. Even now also you can see. See? Now I am going to put this string into this. Okay? Like this, right? Going up. Go all the way up to your neck. Go there. Go. Then put closer. Wait, friends. What I did is, I'm not supposed to. This string. Oh. Okay. This string, I put it up here. Don't do that. put below this. Okay, now you see this. Okay, just push this inside, then tie it. Okay, tie it. That's okay if it is visible, not a problem. It is also a cloth, right? My hair is looking okay like this. Yeah, okay. Every side is covered. It's covered up to here. Okay, you can cover this. Let's push this inside. Yeah, that's all. You want to see? Definitely cannot blow. With 2 layers itself, I was not able to blow. This one, no way. No way I can blow. Okay, I'll remove this and then happy birthday to me. Okay. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Make your own mask. Make your own mask with different patterns of clothes, different designs, different colors, anything as you wish. Make your own mask without anyone's help, okay? And you can make a mask for your family members also if you have time. That will be a great help for everyone, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all will make your own mask. Take care. Bye-bye.